everyone. So today is just doing homework. And so cat training. So number one is cat training. 3 simple tips to make your cat obey. Now, tips to make your cat obey. Well, pretty much really necessary. But other than that, you really need to know on Google or just by using the easy stuff. You can just watch TikTok or YouTube or ChatGPT. So, I'm not gonna really tell the simple tip to make your cat obey for me at this point. So, if you want to make your cat obey, you have to make yourself like a boss, you know? Okay, so when you go home, you need to have something for your cat. And I mean but for your cat, I mean cat food, meat, and it's necessary for meat. Because when your cat saw you go outside, they think you go hunting. That's what normal cats do. And cats can usually know the difference. But they normally see themselves as big cats, small and big. Small but have lots of energy. But meanwhile they see you, it's just big but weak. Okay? So you need to make yourself like a boss. Like every time you go home, you need to buy something that's for your cat so they know. And even if you don't, they think that you just go home safe and just didn't complete your mission. That's all. So, tips to make your cat obey is that make yourself like a boss. Like when now you normally always pet your cat, always have company for your cat. But sometimes your cat somehow doesn't like you and hated you. Just kinda, but not really. Except when you taking care of the cat when they're a kitten to grow up, they may be sweet to you because who wouldn't? Because you're taking care of them as kitten and they grow up and they saw you as their mother or father. So, okay. Now this video is short because I only knew the simple tips. Okay? At first, make yourself like boss, and how to make yourself like boss. I will bring that meat for the cat, and when your cats go up to you and have one pet, don't pet the cat. And if you want your cat to obey you or get your attention, this is new. If you want to get your cat attention and they are fully grown adults, which means kind of like that, especially mother cat, they're pregnant or something, or they already have a kid. So the way to make your cat have attention and then follow you is that you could go on YouTube and you could normally you saw cats video. Sometimes they're not that famous anymore, but still, you normally saw the cat's video. You can saw cats whimpering. You could open that noise to make your cat hear, and then the cat can get your attention. They run up to you and then get your attention. Or you can just have a video of a kitten voice, just being playful, sad, or crying. 3 of the things to make your cat having attention. And in an easy way, it could cats can know about you if you have a sickness or not. And they will accompany you. That is, of course. Yes, they will accompany you. If you cry, they accompany you. If you're sick, like coughing, and all of those stuff to take pills, the cat will have your attention. They will go up and have your attention. Like, they really have an eye on people that have sickness or just have emotional that. That is. But like, if you go to a cat cafe, if your friend forces you, that is, to make you go to cat cafe and you're allergic to cat, which I know for some of, because like my friend is allergic to cat, but she can have cats. How in the world? I mean, like, still, she allergic to cat, but she allowed to have a pet cat. Wow, she lucky as always, because like, I never have a cat. But still, I need to Google perfect product, perfect everything for cats. And she already allergic to cats, but still, she can have a pet cat. I mean, oh my god. And if you allergic to cat and you're just like, what's having allergic reaction, the cat will get attention, and then they will put a minion on you to get the attention. Could be that. So number one is always bring food or something that's perfect for cats, so they know that you're completely done your mission hunting for cat reasonable point. And two, you could go on YouTube and just type cat video or like baby cat video or just called kitten video. Could be that. So you use a sound and the cat will get a text. That's number two. Number three is that always get enough food or always raise a kitten for reasonable fat, because they always saw you like the mother. You can just go on YouTube and say which product is the perfect. They have everything. Or Google or ChatGPT. So if you want your cat to calm down or saw you as their mother, you can just buy gloves that have little spiky things. You know, like, it's kind of more like a brush for your hair. Kind of like that, but gloves with spiky things. Now, you don't use that on your hair, but you use that on your cat's fur to calm them down. It's kind of like your cat is imagining it. It's kind of feel for the cat is that their mother tongue is licking them and clean. Or you can have a calm spray. A calm spray, you just spray the room so your cat can smell it and make them calm down. Now, it's not really work for every single cat, because like some of them work, the other they just hiss and hate it and run away, and make your cat panic too, just to make the opposite for some of them. So that's all I could know about this reasonable fact I have. I hope you understand, because like that's all I know. So goodbye, have a great day.